Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made by Unique, and today we're going to see how to use minimum formula on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to use a minimum formula on your Microsoft Excel mobile, just going to show in this video. For example, here I'm just going to type something like 78, 90, 80, and next 50 and 25, and here I'm just going to change this value to 5 and here 100. So I just need to have a minimum value of this sum of the amounts. So you can just easily have that with a single click. If you're having a more data like 100 like that, click on this arrow section, scroll down to the bottom section, and you can find an option called auto sum. Click on this and here you will see an option called mini. So you just need a minimum amount. So click on this. You can just want to first, you just need to select the range and click OK. Now you can see it shows the 5 is minimum. For example, I'm just going to change this 5. Let's change this to 50. Now it shows 25 is the minimum. This is how you just use the minimum formula on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made by Unique. Have a wonderful day.